Alright guys, so today I'm gonna try to tackle the rust. Obviously it's a Ford Transit 2021, so it has a lot of rust. So let me show you what tools I have for this kind of job. So I have two drills with the wire attached, obviously, and I have a lot more of this. I ordered it from Amazon, so it was like 8 quid. And this is metal paint for hammer. Alright. So this is the thing I use it. It's a rust converter, it's very good for this kind of job. So I'm using this rust primer, it's black matte finish, it's very good. This is 10 quid from Amazon as well.
I'm using some of this as well, a wire brush.
Let me show you what rust I have on this hand. So it's more surface rust, I've already done this part. Alright. And I put some treatment, as you can see. More on this side. And I have built one this. Yeah, as I said, it's more surface rust. This one is bigger. Yeah. And this part as well. Yeah, let's see what is all about this rust remover gel. I applied twice, but I didn't see some result. Maybe I have to apply more than twice to see some results, and it says on the description as well, so I will see. So I have this Rotary tool, I think it's called. It's quite good for small jobs, as you can see, and you can attach more discs to try to cutting metal as well. I mean, you can cut some metal with this tool. It's very handy for small jobs, as I said, but it's cordless, so it's run off the battery very fast. Yeah, I'm trying to sand this with sandpaper, but as you can see, the rust is going deep and deep, so I will try to do my best with the angle grinder, is better. If you want to get rid of all the rust, you have to do from the bare metal, because even the small spots can cause in the future more rust. So if you have this kind of problem and you can't save the metal, it's better to cut all the metal that it's unsavable, and then for the rest try to do your best. As you can see, I'm not finishing one part and then move to another part, because I've made this clip to show you all the processing parts that you will have when you have a rusty car. This including the cutting, sanding, welding, and then painting finally. So as you can see, I've cut it the bottom, so I have to make another metal plate for that. Yeah, once you will cut more and more, it's gonna turn up very well. So once you weld everything, yeah, but I have more to do. Yeah, I have to cut all these because it's more rust underneath. So how is this possible? Yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, as I said, the angle grinder is the best in this job. If you don't have one, go and buy one. As you can see, it's some holes in the panel. This is the problem when you don't tackle the rust when it's the time to tackle the rust. Yeah, I'm not worried about the top panel because it's straight. I'm more worried about the bottom one because I have to make some shapes to cut some metal to make shape for the underneath. Yeah, we will see how it goes in the next episode. I've managed to bend this because was more rust under this, so as I said, you have to go deep to see the shiny metal. As you can see, I've managed to crack my windscreen. For this part, I will catch you in the next episode.